Guys, this is DabDabber95 again, and this time we're actually throwing a Diet Right. Diet Right.
Show us the characters and all in this.
Yeah, and what's your name on YouTube?
Mr. Noah 3132.
Your name?
Sight
James.
I don't know, just JD.
You don't even have one. And you?
Don't remember mine.
And DabDabber95. Alright, we're throwing this Diet right off this ledge here, and it's probably gonna explode. Alright, let me see it. Alright.
No!
Wow.
Take it though, I apologize. Alright, so we're still... Remember I still called Jim from the store.
No, I'm the thrower.
I get Jim's on the floor.
Oh!
Ain't no one drinking that.
Oh my God!
That's horrible.
Please, God, I got